Okay, so here we have an example configuration for the Aurora Ops app. And in this case, I just have one thing configured, which is my website, and I've got some on start and on stop actions. Um, so there are a few statuses on info, warning, success, and danger. I just have solid colors, but then on upgrading, I am breathing between white and yellow. So I'm going to start up a small app that displays some host stuff. This is basically just a status server. It's just exporting the JSON that the poller is reading from. And then I'm going to page and build and start. So it's building through Mage. It's recompiling both the Aurora Ops app and status host. It's taking a really long time, which is weird. All right, so it starts up, it clears the panels and sets them to the starting color, but then it receives success from the host and then marks it as green. So now I'm going to set I'm going to mark it as danger. I'm just going to flag it red. So, uh-oh, something's happened. I'm going to then set the status to warning, if I can copy and paste correctly. Cool. Now I'm going to mark it as upgrading. Now, assuming that the app is upgraded and now it's starting up, we'll change the status to info. And then after some period of time, it goes from info to success. And voila, that's what we got so far.